Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Car detection is one of the widely used feature nowadays. This technology uses computer vision to detect different types of vehicles in a video or a real-time via camera. It finds its application in traffic control, car tracking, creating parking sensors, and many more. In this particular project, we will learn how to build a car detection system in Python for both recorded and live camera streamed videos. Before we begin, we need to install the open source computer vision library, which is built to help developers carry out tasks related to computer vision. So for that, I'm writing here CMD in the search box and opening the command prompt. Now after that, write the following command: pip install opencv dash python and hit enter. As I have already installed this library, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now we have the required library installed. The way the technology works is that we train the model on various image parameters of the object to be detected. In this case, we are using the car. Think of it as the test dataset and train dataset of any machine learning model. In this case, train dataset, that is .xml file, which captures the image details of the target object, that is car, and the test dataset, that is the recorded video. I have uploaded the video and .xml file on the GitHub. Anyone can download it from there. I will provide the link in the below description. Okay. Now open the Jupyter notebook and create the new file. Now write the following code as it is. I am explaining it step by step. Okay. See. Firstly, import the library, that is import cv2. Then reference the input to your webcam or to the video file saved on your system, as I have given the video file, that is cars.mp4, which is present in my system where I have saved this Python script. Okay. After that, we are using the pre-trained .xml file, that is car.xml, which has data on cars built using individual images. You can download it from the GitHub. Okay. Now the video is read in individual frames. Next, the frame is converted to the grayscale, which helps in detecting the car quickly. The reason why image is converted to grayscale is that the trained dataset is built in grayscale to reduce the size of the file. Okay. Now this line car is equal to car cascade dot detect multiscale. This code detects the car in the frame and stores their coordinate in x and y axis and the width and the height of the car. Now the next part draws the rectangle around the area where the car is detected and displays the text car above the rectangle. You can change the font accordingly of the text, and the code 00255 is the color code of the rectangle, and the text in BGR sequence, that is blue, green and red sequence. Okay. Now cv2.imshow is used for the resulting image frame is released to the viewer, and the loop continues to run until the user hits the enter key on the keyboard. After that, all captured videos must be released. Okay, now I will run this code. Wait a minute. See, here is the output. Now see the rectangle having the text car above. Okay, now when I press the enter button, it will end. Okay, thank you for watching this video.